Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've been experiencing a horrible grinding noise from the blades of your TM31, you're not alone. This issue typically arises due to wear and tear on the blade assembly or misalignment. If left unattended, it could lead to more significant damage, potentially affecting the motor and overall functionality of your device. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement blade assembly, and a pair of gloves to protect your hands. Start by ensuring your Thermomix is unplugged for safety. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the base of the device. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top section off, being cautious not to force it, as there are wires connected inside. Now, you need to locate the blade assembly, which is usually situated at the bottom of the mixing bowl. If you see any debris or damage around the assembly, that could be your culprit. To extract the blades, gently twist them counterclockwise and pull upwards. Make sure to disconnect any cables attached to the assembly. These can usually be unclipped with the flathead screwdriver. When replacing the blades, align the new assembly correctly and press down firmly until it clicks into place. Remember to reconnect any cables you disconnected earlier, ensuring they are secure. As you reassemble the device, be careful not to pinch any wires, as this could cause further issues. Once you've replaced the top section and reinserted the screws, plug your Thermomix back in and give it a test run. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the condition of your blades and keep the mixing bowl clean and free from residue. Avoid overloading the device, as this can put undue strain on the blades. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.